Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're diving into a detailed tutorial on how to replace the switch on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your vacuum up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have these handy before we begin. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. You may notice some dust and debris inside. It's a good idea to clean this out while you're here. A clean vacuum performs better, and it's a simple step that can prolong its life. Now focus on the switch mechanism. You'll see the switch connected to a couple of wires. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry the switch out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the old switch removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new switch and connect it to the same wires you just removed. Ensure the connections are secure. You don't want any loose wires causing issues later on. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the user manual or consider our quote before repair service to get expert advice. Once the new switch is in place, carefully reassemble the handle. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Now let's test the new switch. Plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should hear the familiar sound of your vacuum coming to life. If it doesn't work, double-check your connections or consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough clean, both inside and out. Regular maintenance will keep your Dyson HD01 in top shape for years to come. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with any issues you might face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the switch on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. With just a few tools and some careful steps, you've saved yourself time and money. Happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.